Hello everyone. Has flu and cold season arrived? Do you feel tired, weak, or have a sore throat? Then you're in the right place. Today I'm going to share a super tasty natural tea recipe that will boost your immune system and help fight off the flu and common cold. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Natural teas support our immunity, protect the body against infections, and have no side effects. Ingredients like ginger, lemon, cinnamon, black pepper, and cloves are both healthy and delicious. Ginger, 2 matchbox-sized slices. Anti-inflammatory and antiviral, it helps soothe a sore throat. Lemon, half. A powerhouse of vitamin C, it boosts immunity. Cinnamon, 2 sticks. An antioxidant that supports immunity. Black pepper, 1 tablespoon whole. Speeds up metabolism and boosts the effect of ginger. Cloves, half a tablespoon. Antiseptic and antibacterial, they ease cold symptoms. Honey, optional. A natural antibiotic that soothes the throat and adds flavor. It's super easy to make. Here are the steps. Pour 0.5 liters of water into a pot and bring it to a boil. To the boiling water, add 2 matchbox-sized slices of ginger, half a lemon, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 tablespoon of whole black pepper, and half a tablespoon of cloves. Let it simmer on medium heat for 5-7 minutes. After taking it off the heat, add honey to your liking and stir. If your tea is too strong, you can add a little hot water if you want. This way, the taste and healing power will be just as you like it. And there you have it, your amazing tea that boosts your immunity and can be completely personalized. It's very beneficial to drink this in the mornings or in the afternoon. If you have flu symptoms, you can drink it 2-3 times a day. Regular use keeps your immune system strong and protects against illnesses. Friends, this natural tea will both boost your immunity and warm you up. Don't forget to try it. If you liked my video, give it a thumbs up, share your experiences in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Stay healthy and full of energy.